Zendaya's Odyssey premiere makeup was soft, elegant, and effortless. I'm recreating the look on brown skin using affordable products, so let's see if I can capture the same energy. First, we have to use our primer for our face, so I'm using this brand. It's called Torten, if you can see it. And this helps for my skin to look glowy like Zendaya. So every time you apply makeup, you want your face to be moisturized as well. So when that makeup is applied, you have it. Second step is the brows. The brows is always important because as we see Zendaya, her beautiful energy, I always love her brows. Her brows are just always intact. It's not too much. She have a little arch. It's not too much. You're not trying to do like a Leah on here, but we just want it to be slightly arch. And I'm using Auto Eyebrow Pencil by Nika K, and the color is called Cocoa. So it gives that it's not too dark, but it's right in the middle. This is a shade of dark brown. So as you can see, it looks really good. Next, to seal it up, we're going to use my favorite concealer by Ruby Kisses. It's called Cover Up, and this is $6, I believe. And I just like to match my skin tone. As you guys can see, I'm just blending that in, baby, blending. And then what I'm going to do, and yes, that's I have two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to use because one don't have the white and one have the reddish brownish color. So I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Gemstone. This is $5.99 at your local beauty supply store. That's very affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and use that, and we're going to go ahead and blend it in. She has a soft brown look, so I'm going to mix these two colors here. I'm sorry, I done dug in it. And I'm just going to go in a circular motion because with Zendaya makeup, it just give it more of a beauty energy. Her beauty is energy. She don't have to work hard. She just do it. And that's what I love about Zendaya. Her makeup is always flawless. Her energy brings out more of her, and it's not the makeup wearing her. So I love it. So that is the reddish brown color look. This eyeshadow palette too. This one's called Oh Honey. This is $2.99, and this does have the white in it. So I'm gonna see what this white gonna show up because I always had a hard time with white. And yes, it does show up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. She have this white look in the inner corner of her eye. And then on top of that, I'm going to go back in with the Gemstone eyeshadow palette because I want it to have a little spark to it like she did. So I'm going to go back in with, this is called the Gemstone eyeshadow palette. So we have the eyes like Zendaya, well, the eyeshadow, not the eyes yet, but the eyeshadow like Zendaya. So with her energy, her eyes always like it's luring. So we want to recreate that. So I'm going to use my favorite black eyeliner. I'm going to use my Absolute New York. This is a marker eyeliner, and this is one of my favorites. So what I do, I just usually go right here in the outer crease, and I just follow up like this. I don't try to do it too big and not too small, but I just do it as normal. Go in with the concealer, right? So we did the fourth step of the eyeshadow, and then the fifth step we did the eyeliner. So this is the sixth step. We're going to use this concealer underneath our eyes. So it's good for if you have dark eyes or your eyes are really swollen. So I love this concealer. I love to go in between like a little light. I'm just going to do a little small dot, which is the seventh steps. And this is also Absolute New York blush. You use as a lipstick, for blush and eye. So I like to use this for my blush. It's a stick, and you see how pretty that pink is. I didn't have to do too much. Then I'm going to go right back under. Oops, that's the wrong concealer. Oops, my bad. I'm going to go right back under with the concealer again, 345. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use our tears. Oh, I miss it. And it's going to help set it. And then we're going to give it a minute. Is the blending process. So I let it sit for like maybe 2 minutes, and I'm just going to blend it in. As you guys can see how it just blend effortlessly into my skin like Zendaya make. Like, man, I'm like her in that picture. Like, I was like a goddess. She looks really good. I love that makeup. I remember seeing that on Instagram. I'm like, what? That's not Zendaya. And it is. So I really love how the makeup blended in with her skin tone. It wasn't overpowering. It was just like mostly, it gave you a goddess soft glam look in the picture. And by that, I'm going to use this mascara to make this eyeshadow pop a little more like with her energy through that picture. Like, she effortless, elegant. And this one is called Black Body. I love this one. Now, you can find this at a drugstore because I didn't wear beauty supply store mascara. I Breakout. I think only NYX, but that was $10. This was $5.49, and then it gives you length, baby. Look, it gives you length. So, as a close-up so far, I love Zendaya makeup. So, what y'all think so far? Let's do the other side. And then lastly, we're going to use the Ruby Kisses Under Eye Powder. I love. It's called Earth. It's $6. I think $5 or $6 at my local beauty supply store. I love it because it helps give it that photo finish like on Z. She looks like a model, by the way. And that's what I wanted to recreate with her beauty. That her energy is, it's no comparing, it's no comparison. It's just like, she got this. She's down to earth, and she would. Last but not least, we gotta do her lip combo. I'm going to use my Max Plump by Absolute New York, and the color I am using is called Walnut. It is an auto twist lip liner, and what I'm going to do is outline my lips. I'm going to start right here at the top, and then I'm just going to come over, come down, and we're going to come back up. We're going to blend that in, put it at the top a little bit. Bam, we got that. And then I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Butter Balm Lip Gloss. This is called number 9, Sublime. All right. I'm just going to use that little pink, just a little bit. And that's it. I feel like I nailed this tutorial. But I had to top it off with my best friend, CoverGirl. I think this is called Peaches or Mango. I think it's Mango. And it's going to give it. So tell me what you guys think down in the comments. Did I nail this look? And I feel like this beauty woman, Zendaya, her energy is unstoppable with her aura and her presentation. She is lovely, and this makeup look she nailed, went so viral that I had to recreate it. Tell me what you guys think down below. Who should I recreate next, and did I nail it? And also, if you guys want to see more celebrity soft glam makeup look and beautiful energy of your favorite celeb, comment down below, hype this video up, and subscribe till next time. Ciao.